What's good, y'all? So I done bought some makeup stuff recently from that girl ColourPop. I didn't open it yet, as you can see, so we finna get into this together. Together, okay? So let's get right into it. Okay, get right into it. You already know. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh. Oh yeah, I forgot I bought this Aquarius palette. Why did I low-key sound like Tigger? But that's sugar. This is a lot of stuff, y'all. Damn. Well, it's not a lot, but you know. Let me organize this real quick. Okay, so first we have this pressed powder shadow in purple. I thought it was gonna be a little more, you know, in a more container of some sort, but apparently not. It's literally how it looks in the picture. But it's pretty though. I already put it on my hand for you guys. It's very pretty though. I can imagine how it's gonna look on these eyelids. And then we have the Super Shock highlighter palette. Ooh. Okay. I mean, these is gorgeous. Like, look at that. Beautiful. Now we're gonna test this out. Okay, we're gonna go in on her. I'll put it on my wrist. Wrist. Okay. You can barely see this one, but it looks pretty though. Kind of looks like it'll blend in with my skin, you know what I mean? I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all can, but y'all can't. You can, but you can't, but you can, but you can't. But it's okay. It's really soft though, I will say that. It's really soft. Ooh, this one is pretty. Ooh. Look at that. Pretty. I already know what the purple one's gonna look like, so I'm gonna do that one last. Ooh, this pink. Oh my god, this pink one. I'm telling y'all, I'm starting to love pink now. Like, oh my gosh. Nose is itching a little bit. But yeah. Oh, that pink is beautiful. It looks better in person, but yeah. Now, last but not least, this purple. Girl. Y'all see that? Oh my god. I need to give y'all a better view of this. Yeah, this looks better from the back camera. Do y'all see this? Oh my god. Especially the last two. Oh my god. Obsessed. Like, y'all, that was just too dreamy for me, okay? So this next one is pressed powder palette. Nickel and dined. Let's see. Come on with it. Oh, this is like the black hues or black, gray, and white. Y'all get the point. Pretty. I never had silver on me yet. Have I? I don't think I have. But I'm gonna think. Ooh. That's shocking. That. Ooh, look at that. I know this black. Yeah, okay. Okay. I see you, ColourPop. Okay, next up we have this Cheek Dew. I forgot what color it is. Parisian Chic. I don't think I said it right, but yeah, y'all get the point. Come on now.
Kick.
There we go. Cheek Dew. Okay. I'm not really a Cheek Dew type of person. I don't even remember. Did I try Cheek Dew before? I don't even remember, but either way, we finna try. It's a pretty color though. I will say that. because I don't like my blush, you know, too much on my face, but I want it visible at the same time too. So, but yeah, that's not bad. Okay, next up we have Super Shock Shadow. You know, it is called a Mountain Lion. This might be similar to the one that I got in that blackish looking palette. There we go. It's pretty though. Very pretty. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, the next one we have is another Super Shock blush or the collab is Snow White.
Got the kick.
Period. Definitely gonna see how this one looks. Okay, not too shabby. It's a little dark for my liking. Let me try to blend it out. Blend it out, blend it out, blend, blend, blend. Yeah. It looks better in person than it does on the camera, but whenever I put on makeup and it matches with that, y'all will see. And last but not least, you see it. I know you see. I know you see it. Okay, period. You already know I had to get the little kit, you feel me? Or whatever you want to call it. Okay. Little card and whatnot, you know. Comes with it. And this is the Luxe lip gloss. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Let me try. I was gonna put it on my lips, but I'm like, nah. Okay, she's clear, but she's pretty though. Very nude brownish, you know. Not too bad. And we have the Pressed Powder Palette. Crystal Clear Aquarius. Period. Don't play with it.
Got the kick.
Let's see. Come on now. You know, oddly enough, I can open stuff easier when I don't look. I don't know why. It's very weird. But, yeah. Okay. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna try this out. Okay, I'm finna do it on my wrist and do the back camera like I did the other ones. So y'all can see a better view, you know? So you see on my finger. For right now, a little razzle dazzle. Okay, y'all see that blue and that silver? Okay. Yes. Well, that's all we have for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this long 10-minute video. Now I can do 10-minute videos. Yes. And if you made it through, hey. But yes, if you want more, don't be afraid to follow me, like this video, comment, and share with the girls if you will. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.